Welcome to German Professors. Today, we are focusing on essential daily verbs, and we're excited to give you an early look at our upcoming Lerni Mobile App. This title card for Class 3 highlights two distinct verbs, arbeiten, which means to work, and aufstehen, which means to get up. They demonstrate a strict rule in German grammar. Some verbs physically split into two pieces when used in a sentence. With a standard regular verb like arbeiten, the word stays completely intact. When we build the sentence for I work, it translates directly to ich arbeite. Watch the mechanics of aufstehen. The prefix auf breaks completely off from stehen and drops into the absolute end of the phrase, giving us ich stehe auf. Identifying which verbs remain whole and which ones separate is your first step to building correct German sentences. This introduces ankommen, arrive, and abfahren, depart. For the train departs, we conjugate to der Zug fährt, and the ab prefix moves to the end. Der Zug fährt ab. I arrive is identical. An shifts to the end, forming ich komme an. Regardless of the pronoun you use, the separable prefix always locks into position as the final word of your present tense main clause. Compare anmelden, to register, and abgeben, to submit. Shifting to the simple past, anmelden is regular. Ich melde an shifts to ich meldete an. Abgeben is irregular. Ich gebe ab becomes ich gab ab, as the stem vowel physically shifts from to a. Pause the video. Identify the prefix for ausfüllen and the simple past of anfangen for sie. The prefix for ausfüllen is aus, and anfangen uses the irregular stem, fing an. Next, abholen, anmachen, and aufhören cleanly separate into ab, an, and auf. The prefix splitting rule remains consistent across all tenses, so your main focus when learning the past tense is simply memorizing which core verbs have irregular stem changes. Let's run a rapid-fire quiz. First, I put on clothes. The answer is A, ich ziehe an. Next, we arrived in the simple past. The answer is B, wir kamen an. Finally, he submitted in the simple past. Answer A, gab ab. This table summarizes the core separable prefixes we covered today, up, an, auf, and aus. Automatically detaching these specific prefixes and recognizing irregular core stems gives you the foundation you need for conversational fluency. Thank you for learning with us. You can practice these conjugations in the new Lerni Mobile App layout, and be sure to subscribe to German Professors for our next class.